We've all been there. You tried to boil some eggs for a quick snack, but the hard-boiled egg you were dreaming of now looks like the surface of the moon. Half the delicious egg white is stubbornly glued to the shell, and you're left with a pockmarked, cratered mess. It's one of the most universal kitchen frustrations. For years, the internet has been clouded with opinions on how to cook the perfect, easy-peel egg. Add salt. Start with cold water. Start with hot water. Put in ice bath. The list of so-called foolproof tricks is endless. Well, today, we're cutting through all that noise. We're not just discussing it, we're settling this debate once and for all. Right here, we're putting the classic tradition of boiling head-to-head with its biggest, newest rival, steaming. The claim is that steaming cooks the egg with a gentler, more consistent heat. We will also test the effect of salt and ice bath on the easy peelability of the cooked egg. Which method will give you that glorious, deeply satisfying clean peel every single time? Stick around, because you're about to see the final showdown, and the results might just change how you cook eggs forever. Let's move on to the tests. We're testing 4 different methods today. Test 1, boiling then ice bath. Test 2, boiling with salt then ice bath. Test 3, steaming then ice bath. And Test 4, boiling then no ice bath. I will be using eggs all from the same carton to keep freshness and size consistent. I will use 3 eggs for each test, and they will be cooked for exactly 12 minutes for a fully hard-cooked yolk. For Test 1, I have a pot of plain water at a rolling boil. Using a strainer spoon, I gently lower in the eggs. Timer is set for 12 minutes. The same is done for Test 4. For Test 2, I have a pot of plain water at a rolling boil, and then add a teaspoon of salt. Using a strainer spoon, I gently lower in the eggs. Timer is set for 12 minutes. Where are you watching me from? Let's connect from around the world. Comment your city or country in the comments. And we've made subtitles in different languages, so you can watch this video in the language that you are most comfortable with. And if you don't see your language, please notify us in the comments section, and we'll be sure to include that. While those are bubbling away, let's get the steaming station ready. I've got a standard pot with a metal steamer basket. I've added just an inch of water to the bottom, making sure it stays below the basket. We bring that to a boil. Once it's puffing out steam, we gently place the eggs for Test 3 inside, pop the lid on tight, and set the timer. The process is also quicker since you're only boiling a small amount of water. After 12 minutes, we take Test 1 out of the heat and plunge them into a bowl of ice water. We'll let them chill out for about 15 minutes. We will follow the same procedure for Test 2 and 3. For Test 4, we will just drain the water, rinse them with a little tap water, and let them cool for 15 minutes. If you're enjoying this video and will love to see more helpful tips like this, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss anything I upload. And also hit the like button. It's a free way of supporting us. I know you will enjoy being here with all the helpful tips I will be uploading. Now to the great unveiling. First, Test 1. This is the group where we boiled only in water and placed in an ice bath. I am seeing a little crack on the shell. Let's try to peel one. Honestly, the peeling wasn't that bad. I didn't have much sticking to the egg. Test 2. This is the group where we boiled the eggs in salt water and placed in an ice bath. There is no crack on any of the eggs. Peeling this is similar to the group 1. There is not much difference. Test 3. This is the steaming group. There is no crack on any of the eggs. I tried peeling the 3 eggs in 3 different ways, and the shell came off easily from them all. Test 4. This the group where we boiled only in water with no ice bath. I give the egg a firm tap on the counter and a gentle roll. I start peeling from the bottom, where the air pocket usually is. And, yep, this is exactly what we're trying to avoid. The shell is coming off in tiny, angry shards. I'm trying to get under the membrane, but it's fused to the white. Every piece of shell takes a chunk of egg with it. The final product is edible, sure, but it's ugly and sad looking. After the side-by-side showdown, I would say the ice bath is the most important variable that leads to easy peelability of egg, then followed by the use of steam. So why is this so? The ice bath works because it stops the cooking process to help the egg contract away from the shell. Steaming is also effective because of how heat is transferred during steaming. Boiling involves aggressive, direct contact with turbulent water, which can cause the egg white proteins to set so fast that they bond with the shell membrane. Now let's cut these up. They have all been cooked perfectly. The great egg debate is officially settled. If you've been fighting a losing battle against stubborn eggshells, then try using an ice bath and/or steaming. I'm willing to bet you'll be converted for life. Now, I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let me know. Are you Team Boil or are you ready to join Team Steam? If you have another secret trick, please share it with the community. And if this video finally solved one of your biggest kitchen headaches, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more myth-busting and kitchen showdowns. It really helps us tackle even more culinary controversies. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.